This right here is a lenticular photo. It changes between two images, and this is a 5x5. I found recently that Walgreens sells these. This isn't a sponsored video, but I wanted to share it with you guys in case you're working on any projects. Here's one I made for my friend Chris, so it looks like a little Polaroid photo, and it changes between his long beard and his shaved beard. The reason I wanted to share these is because I don't want Walgreens to stop making them. Even though there are a lot of places you can get these lenticular photos, a 5x5 seemed to be really useful for little projects. This is Tully from Ghostbusters. Coffee, yes, have some. Look how good that changes. That looks great. Something I want to mention, if you do end up getting some of these, I'll put a link in the description below for some resources you can find to print these. This one changes up and down, and this is how they sell them when you order them. If you want them to go this way, do you see that one? You need to print it like this, if that makes sense. Print it sideways. So you make your two images, turn them sideways in your editor, and then when it prints, it will be a walk-by change. And the reason I got that is because if you wanted to hang this on the wall, you walk by it and it'll change multiple times as you walk by. You're not going to get the same effect with this one. When you walk by, it doesn't change at all. Do you see that? I've mentioned these before in some of my live streams. I just think they're so cool. If you're trying to get moving images in photo, this is one way to do it. I printed these out a couple of times. Here's another one I made for a little project that I'll be sharing over at Thriftymint YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, be sure to subscribe. It's pretty cool. You want to check that out. This is just a little project to get creative and try some different things. It's kind of like a portable animated GIF in a way. Be sure to check the links in the description below. I'm going to try to be doing videos every day this month, so we'll see how this goes. If you do end up making something, be sure to share with me over on Instagram. I'd love to check them out. Thanks for watching. Knoptop, go make something.
Do you want some coffee, Mr. Tully?
Do I?
Yes, have some.
Yes, have some.